So you've been trying to eat more to gain muscle and some weight, but the scale just stays the absolute same. And everyone is just telling you to eat in a calorie surplus, or they even say if you would just eat 3,000 calories a day, you would definitely gain weight. But yeah, we both know that's just not as easy as it sounds, right? So first of all, you have to eat the least amount of volume for the highest amount of calories. And you do this by choosing food groups that have higher calories. For example, don't eat fruits or eat less of normal fruits, but eat more of dry foods. Or stop eating lean meats and switch to eating fatty steaks, or for example, chicken thighs or chicken wings, which just contain high fat content. So just more food with higher fat content. Protein is obviously also important to consider, and also food that just have less water. So don't eat a lot of salads or soups, for example. And the second thing to consider is that even if you eat foods that have high calories, like I mentioned, right? Even then, it can be really hard to gain weight. And this is why it will take some time and you will have to slowly expand your stomach. Like I myself only started to gain weight on my 4th month of my bulk. And before I gained 0 grams, just nothing. And only when my stomach actually expanded enough and then I slowly just get used to eating more, then I finally ate enough so I actually can start gaining weight. This is also really just the most important thing if you're trying to gain weight, that others just ignore. It's the same thing like progressive overload in the gym, but just progressive overload in your diet. So me, I was eating 2,300 calories in the beginning, and after a few weeks, I just add like 200 calories, I eat 2,500 calories. And after a few weeks, again, I just increase it by 200 calories, eat 2,700 calories, and going on like that until you finally start gaining weight. And if you're actually serious about gaining weight, size, and strength, then implement the things I told you. And if you want to take it to the next level, then DM me the word aesthetics, and I will coach you one-on-one to your bigger and stronger self.